Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add music to your website. This is a great way to make your site more engaging and create a better experience for your visitors. Let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, the first thing we need to do is click on Design Site to open the site editor. Let's wait for it to load. Once we are in the Wix editor, to add music, all we need to do is click Add and then click Upload Media. From here, we can upload audio directly from our computer. For example, let's say we have an audio file ready to go. As you can see, it's an MP3. We just select it and it starts uploading. And just like that, the music is now in our Wix website. We can place it wherever we like, depending on where and how we want it to appear on our site. And that's how we add music to our website. With this simple feature, we can set the right atmosphere and keep visitors more engaged.